Hi there. Let's go for a walk, shall we? You do not want to tell anybody that you have a YouTube channel. And I'm going to tell you why. I understand the temptation. You start a channel. You are not getting views. You've uploaded a couple videos even. You're not getting many views, if any. You're not getting subscribers. And you're probably checking your YouTube analytics all the time. I know, I've been there. And you might be thinking, well, I've got some friends, I've got some family. You know, I'm gonna send them a link. Maybe, a lot of people when they start YouTube, they don't want their friends and family to find out that they're doing it because it's something out of the ordinary for them. It's not what it's not what they're used to doing. It's something new. Maybe there's some embarrassment there. There's no reason to be, but people my age, when we think about YouTube, it's fairly new to us. And what I mean by that is we didn't grow up as Gen Xers making videos of ourselves, right? That part is new. Today's generation, the Gen Zers, I guess, they're used to it. They grew up, they were born with phones in their hands. So it's all new to them. So anyways, my point is a lot of people might be a little bit embarrassed about sharing the fact that they're getting into YouTube, even though there's really no reason to be. But that said, there are some other people, and I guess this was a part of me too. I was a little bit like I was a little bit like both, a little bit nervous about people seeing me make videos of myself, but also, when I was getting into it, I was looking for a way to boost my views, get subscribers. So what did I do when I first started my channel? I told my kids about it, my nephew. And I got, I think my first 3 subscribers were my 2 kids and my nephew. And awesome, 3 subscribers, yay. And I got a few views, probably from them. But that was not a good idea. If you send a link to your channel or your videos to your friends and family, as many people as you want, or if you put a link out there on your Facebook page, on your Facebook account. I gotta switch arms because this is getting heavy. I'm using a different tripod and it's heavier. If you send a link on Facebook, post a link to your new channel on Facebook, well, that's going to get in front of all your friends and family, even not your closest friends and family, but acquaintances, even the people who you've friended over the years. They are most likely going to go check out your channel, right? A good thing, right? No, it's not. And it's not for the reason you might think. It's not because, people might start making fun of you because, that's not you. What are you doing? Making videos for? Why are you doing that? That's not the reason. The reason it's a mistake is because these people are going to go to your channel and, good intentions. They're going to see what you're doing. Oh, my nose is running. It is so cold out today. They're going to see what you're doing and, they may or may not watch very much of your video. The chances, here's the key. The chances of the people that you send your video links to, the chances that they are also the people who your videos are going to resonate with perfectly is slim to none. Now, there may be some overlap. You may get some of your friends and family who are as passionate about whatever it is you're talking about in your videos as you are. And if that's the case, that might be a good subscriber to have. But even then, right, I look at those types of subscribers and viewers as fake's not the right word, but, or maybe it is. They're like fake viewers, fake subscribers. Because when you come out with your next video, what you want is YouTube to figure out who your audience is supposed to be, who they should be. And YouTube is very good at figuring that kind of stuff out. Trust me, they will figure out what your video is about, whether you give them hints, like in the title, in your description, your tags, right? All those things should be hints to YouTube as to who you're trying to reach, right? Keywords, right? And then everything that you say in your video as well should be full of these keywords. You don't have to put that much thought into that. Basically, just talking about whatever it is you want to talk about is enough for YouTube to be able to figure out what you're talking about and who might want to see your video. Now, your video has to be good, right? And you're going to get better at that as time goes on, but don't try to jumpstart the system by sending traffic to your channel that YouTube didn't find themselves, because it's going to skew the data. YouTube measures your click-through rate and the amount of time viewed, right? Your retention rate. And if they display your thumbnail and title X number of times, and you then send a whole bunch of people to your channel through Facebook or just email links or whatever, however you're going to do it, that's going to skew YouTube's data. Now they're going to see, oh wow, they got a lot of views, but they didn't come from clicking our thumbnails that we put in front of the people we thought wanted to see it. So now there's a whole bunch of data in YouTube of people that saw your video, and YouTube has no idea who they are because they didn't get them for you. Okay, so because of that, that's going to slow down, that's going to stunt your channel's growth. That's going to slow YouTube down in their ability to figure out who your ideal audience is. All right, so try not to jumpstart the system, because there's really no way to do that. Well, there is a way. The way to do that is to get better at making thumbnails, titles, and content, videos that people want to see, okay? Your keywords, your thumbnails, your tags, your keywords, title, description, tags, anything text like that. And also the content of your video, which, by the way, YouTube today is able to transcribe videos and get text from those videos, so they can find your keywords themselves. They know what words you're using more often than not in your video, right? They use all this data to figure out. It's in YouTube's best interest to find your ideal audience, because YouTube wants people to not only click to watch your video, they want people to watch videos for a long time and to stay on YouTube. So it's in YouTube's best interest to find your ideal audience. And quite frankly, they're going to be better at finding your ideal audience than you are. Sorry to say that, but that's just kind of the way it works. It's AI. They've got algorithms that figure this stuff out, and they're damn good at figuring it out. So let YouTube do their work. And that is the reason why you don't want to tell anybody about your YouTube channel. Let them find it. I mean, once your channel gets going and you've got, hundreds, thousands even of subscribers, I mean, sure, you can let the odd person know what you're doing, but don't try to use that as a way to grow your channel faster than it otherwise would. What you need to do instead is focus on making better videos that people want to watch for longer, make better thumbnails that people will click more often, right? Those are the keys. And the more you make videos, the better you will get at those things. All right, so that's all I got for you today. Thanks for coming along on this walk with me by the ocean on a bitterly cold Nova Scotia afternoon. I've got to get back and do a live stream in about 15 minutes. All right. See you next time. Bye.